In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Payoneer to Shopify. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your Shopify admin dashboard, just right here. Now go to your settings, so click on settings in the lower left corner of the screen. Now from here, simply select payments. And you should see that you can connect payments from here. So you can either choose payment providers, choose supported payment methods, and you can also add manual payment methods. So what you want to do is add a payment method from here in the supported payment methods. Now what we want to do is to search by provider. So from here, simply search for Payoneer. And as you can see, Payoneer checkout is available. So click on it. So in my case, I have already installed Payoneer checkout to mine. So if yours doesn't look like this, simply click the option right there that says activate or install. So just or connect. So just simply connect your Payoneer account to your Shopify. And that's basically it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.